Greetings, welcome to our various participants in our Codestorm number 5. Before we proceed, we would like to thank all of our participants, sponsors, and partners for helping to make this event possible. Once again, a huge thank you goes to all of our sponsors for giving us the resources to make this event possible. Thanks to their contributions, our participants had the chance to compete for over $27,000 plus in prizes, which significantly elevated the excitement and impact of the event. They not only fueled innovation, but also empowered the next generation of creators and problem solvers. We are deeply grateful for their contribution towards our event. We would like to thank some of our sponsors: Interview Cake, Codecrafters, XYZ, NordVPN, NordProtect, NordPass, Incogni, Saley, Nexos AI, How to Hackathon, and Balsamique. Next, we would like to thank all of our incredible judges for their utmost dedication and expertise. Their commitment to carefully evaluating each project ensured that our participants received the thoughtful feedback they deserve. Thanks to their efforts, the event maintained the highest standards of excellence. We are most deeply grateful for their invaluable contribution to making this hackathon successful. As we have reached the end of our Codestorm number 5, we would like to reflect on the various accomplishments and future goals we have and are looking forward to achieving. Teamwork has once again emerged as a critical factor in our hackathon. We had over 800 participants in our hackathon, nearly triple to our previous hackathon. We hope the collaborative environment fostered creativity, problem-solving, and efficient project execution. As of our future goals, we hope to reach more people for these events and to spread coding education for beginners through practical application. We also hope to do some future seminars to teach basic coding for beginners who are interested. In particular, HackVortex Codestorm number 6 is coming in January 2026, and we cannot wait. Now, our most anticipated part of the video: winners. All of our hard-working participants will receive a certificate of participation. The first 150 sign-ups receive a 1-week access to Interview Cake's full coding interview prep course. The first 1,000 participants, which includes all of our sign-ups, receive a 1-month free trial of Balsamique's unique platform.
Welcome to Memory Coach, your memory companion, designed especially for individuals with mild to moderate Alzheimer's and their caregivers. Our app offers memory cards, gentle reminders, and meaningful connections, all aimed at helping users preserve their stories and daily routines. It features a password-free authentication system. Users simply enter their email, and the system sends a 6-digit verification code. They can choose Remember My PIN for quick access. After logging out, users can sign in again on the same device using their saved PIN. Our interface uses large, clear fonts for better readability, and purple as the main color theme, symbolizing care and awareness for Alzheimer's disease. This is your dashboard, the home base for data support, all wrapped in a warm purple theme. On the left, you've got your main sections: dashboard, memory management, reminders, caregiver quiz, and profile. Easy to find, easy to use. Up top, you'll see 3 education cards. Tap to expand and learn the basics of Alzheimer's. Right here in the middle is your reminders. Medication times, daily tasks, clear icons, clear timing, short descriptions, so you know what's next at a glance. Need to do something fast? Check out quick actions. Create a memory card, set a quick reminder, or start the caregiver quiz. One tap and you are in. And down here are your recent memories. Open, edit, or delete with a couple of clicks. That's it. Simple, calm, and here to help every day.
Alright, here we come to the first part, memory management. On this page, you can create your own memory cards by typing or by speaking. Let's go with voice input. Take medicine. And don't forget to choose which category it belongs to. In this way, users can quickly find their memory cards through categories or even by timeline. And if you only remember a few keywords, you can simply use search. You will also see an AI assistant here, coming soon. We hope it can help users to express their emotions and assist them in recalling memories through conversations in the future. Next, reminders. We support a quick reminder and medication reminder. Medication adds a few details: drug name, repeat, like daily or weekly, dosage, and whether it's before, during, or after meals. When the time comes, an in-app alarm rings right here. And finally, the caregiver quiz, which is the most educational part of our project. It's designed to guide caregivers on how to better support people with Alzheimer's. You can start the quiz, choose your answers, and check whether they're correct or not. Once you submit, you will see your final score, and any wrong answers will automatically go into a review list. Kind of like a wrong answer notebook for future practice, or you can also find it here.
Hi, my name is Satvik Kesarwani, and I'm here to talk about global health crisis, tuberculosis, or TB. Despite being preventable and curable, it is one of the world's deadliest infectious diseases, with 1.2 million deaths in 2023 alone. A major barrier to fighting it is a lack of accessible tools and affordable screening tools, especially in developing countries. To address this, I developed Acoustic TB, a low-cost, AI-powered tool that screens for TB using a simple cough sound. This model is built on a novel hybrid framework. So, the model uses a data set from Coda Dream TB dataset comprised from over 7 different countries. And with this dataset, I augmented it to incorporate environmental and Gaussian noise. The environmental noise included things including street noise, dog barks, and many other environmental sounds from a public dataset ESC50. With this, I was able to ensure that acoustic TB could be used in the real world in crowded environments as well. With this dataset, I use a convolutional neural network to analyze thousands of audio samples from 7 different countries. The CNN extracts powerful acoustic TB patterns, and with these patterns or embeddings, then they're combined with clinical features like HIV status and country data. This combined data is fed into a tuned XGBoost classifier and also a logistic regression model, which both combine to achieve the final results. With these final results, the model was able to achieve a ROC AUC of 0.50, which means that it was able to have a high true positive rate. And this outperforms all existing baselines using the Coda Dream TB dataset. More importantly, acoustic TB achieved an impressive 80.4% specificity while maintaining a 72.9 sensitivity. This means it can accurately identify those with TB while minimizing false positive, which is crucial for public health triage. The model also proved to be noise resilient. This performance remained strong even with environmental and Gaussian noise, which is critical for real-world use in varied settings. In essence, acoustic TB is not a research project, it's a potential game changer in the fight against TB. It offers to be scalable, non-invasive, and effective, and it can be used globally. The next step is to further validate the model and make sure it's available in a mobile application to truly revolutionize TB screening. Thank you.
Yeah, hello. So here I am from the team Crafter, and in this video we'll see the working of our project, that is Parsamukti.
It's an adaptive AI which customizes data according to user. It personalizes data completely based on real-time information accordingly to the user's comfort.
So the rest is our customizing web page where user can come and customize their things. Like if we go to any of the gestures, like this is any pre-built gesture. So here we can go and for that gesture we can implement the key that we want to press. Like if I press D, so for this gesture the D will be pressed. If I press backspace, so for this gesture backspace will be pressed. If I press spacebar, so for this gesture spacebar will be pressed. If I press shift, so for this gesture shift will be pressed. And other than that, we have train new gesture feature where they can click, they can name the gesture, they can give gesture function, and they can train their own gesture whatever they wish.
Hi, I'm going to explain this code, which is basically a AI model which converts text to speech in real time. Let me run it. Here it goes. Jump. Left.
Left key pressed.
Right.
Right key pressed.
As we can see here, whatever it is recording, it is converting into text as well as converting it back from speech to text. We also have one more code over here, which is of live transcriber. Let me quickly run that too. This is useful to type in text boxes wherein everything is transcribed in real time. Let us see how this works. Hi, good morning. Where are you? Who are you? As we can see it, this uses an AI model which is completely local. It has been trained over data and is working flawlessly. Thank you.
The weight of the books on your desk felt heavier than lead, each open page a silent scream of expectation. The words blurred into a meaningless dance, and the steady hum of your laptop seemed to mock your stalled progress. A heavy sigh escaped your lips, a small cloud of frustration in the quiet room. You felt like a ship lost in a thick, suffocating fog. Pushing back your chair, you walked to the window, pressing your forehead against the cool glass. Outside, the world was